Today I went to Harbor Freight to get their roof-mounted cargo carrier. Okay, this is the Hall Master brand. I did get the 20% off. Okay, if you want to get that, go to their website, see if they have any special deal going on. Since today is President Day, they offer the 20% off on one transaction. Okay, so I got that. So I'm gonna do like a open box and install. Okay, for my 2023 Crosstrek. I decided to get these the cheaper brand and to test it out, see how I like it, you know, with the wind resistance and all that, and to see if I lose any MPGs, you know, on my fuel. So I'm gonna test this out first, and then I'll do another review in a couple months to see if it does drop in MPG or stays the same. And if everything goes good, I might upgrade to a different one, like Yakima or Thule. But for now, I'm gonna do one on this one right here and put it on my 2023 Crosstrek. As you can see, there's nothing on top of there. I got the crossbar on there, but there's no roof basket yet. So I'm gonna do this one right now, today. Okay, I'm gonna do an open box. Okay, see how they package their stuff. This is right off the shelf. A couple minutes ago, I just got it. A nice neat package together. It's sturdy too. Right? So I'll cut that right there, right here. Just cut all the zip tie all together at once. Right, here's one piece. Here's the other piece. And here's the third piece. So what I did was lay them out just like that. Okay. Here's the manual. Here's the all the brackets and stuff like that. There we go. Okay, so okay, first things first, out of the box you got your three sections. Okay, you got the front section with the Hall Master sticker there, and you got your middle section and your rear section. It all indicates in the manual like that, and it comes with all these bars here and brackets here. So at every side or every corner, I sort them out just like that, okay? And then you got your bag of screws for the middle section, okay? So you're gonna have to screw these in. So, but before that, what you need to do is fit these in, okay? Like that. Fit them in like that, okay, on both sides. And you should go in snugly like that. Okay. Okay, so you got your screws and your washers here. There's one here, one there, and then there's one over here and one on top. So there's 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna screw this in first and then I'll do the other side. Okay, so I already tightened the other side, and best thing to do is you put all 4 screws on one side and all the other 4 in, and slowly screw it halfway. Okay, so once all the holes fit the screws, you're just gonna have to just tighten all 4. Okay. So 4 here and 4 on the other side. Okay, so now your roof rack basket is assembled, and then now I need to put these in. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you guys, before you put your screws on, you gotta see these right here. It comes in these are the cylinders that covers your screws, okay, so you won't get rusted and stuff like that. Okay, so you need to put these in here, up to here. Once you put the screw in, you can push it back in like that to cover the screw. Okay, so the big one in this tube here, like this, when you take these covers out, the big one goes on the top and the small one goes on the bottom. Okay, so once you finish putting all your screws in, you're gonna put the sleeve over it. Okay, so pull the sleeve over like that. One hand open this so it'll go over it, and the other hand push this, okay, like this. Push like that, and there you go. Okay, do like that for all 8 of them. Okay. Okay, just to be exact, every time, like the front or the back and the front, I always make sure that V right here, this V right here on this bracket here, is right in the middle here. Okay, same thing go for the front too. That way you know they're like evenly apart. Okay, so from here to there is like 25 inches, the gap. And what you need to do is you just take this U bracket here, thing here, and put it right through there. Okay, and then just use this and screw it in. Okay, so I recommend that when you work on this, you have another person to kind of help you keep an eye when you measure this side, these right here, so you can match the other 2 sides evenly. Okay, or let them help you get the other side and put it up here, and that way it'd be much easier. But you can also do it by yourself, you know, just go from side to side and adjust the length with the gap in between. Okay, okay, so when you make sure it's tight enough, once it's tight enough, take this and you put it on top here. Okay, just kind of close it clockwise or push it in. It's to protect this screw from being rusted. So So there you go, nice and tight. Okay, it's really tight, and then see that, shaking my whole car and it's tight already, so you know it's good. Okay, if you guys have any question about this installation, make sure you comment down below and let me know what's any kind of question that you have. This is the Hallmaster from Harbor Freight. I got it for $79.99 with the 20% off on all items. You can go to their website. Sometimes they have like promotions and stuff like that, and you can pretty much print that out, or you can screenshot it with the promotion code and all that stuff on there. And I will probably let you guys know how it goes in the next couple of months to see how many MPG I've lost, or if there's any noises, when you go on the freeway and stuff like that. But other than that, please comment down below and like and subscribe. Thank you.